Hello, Ray Peck. We're going to take a look at how to use a Google Meet to make a phone call to an actual phone number and not just connect with someone via computer in order to bypass the need to use your personal cell phone or an office phone. And so let's go ahead and dive in. So from here, I'm in a basic Google Meet, and you can see that I have my camera and microphone turned off. But what we're going to look for is this little icon in the bottom right. We click on this to add people. And we're going to look for this button right here, add people in the upper right. You're probably very used to seeing this and typing in an email address. However, we're going to use this right here, call, and then type in a given phone number. And so I'm just going to use my office phone number. And hit the call button. Now the phone number that it calls from is not going to be likely to be an 816 number, but here comes the phone now. You can hear it. I go ahead and answer. And here comes that phone. Now I have joined. You can hear the kind of echo effect because I've got speakers going in both directions. But that is it. Very easy to use and results in a way to call out and connect with, for example, parents in a way to conference with them without needing to go through an office phone or a personal phone. Hope that helps. Best of luck.